Starting the match in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we've got Flubber Duckies grabbing some green cubes, flipping them over their robot with the score into the goal. Their alliance partners, Speedy Chinchillas, doing the same. These are grabbing a lot of green cubes and scoring those. Flubber Duckies grabbing another, scoring it in. Speedy Chinchillas also grabbing another and getting it into the goal. You can now switch drivers. Flubber Duckies grabbing the green, scoring it into the other goal. As Speedy Chinchillas grabs another and puts it into the goal as well. So we have a good dynamic going as all the red are off the post. As you get down to the last 15 seconds, both teams are making an effort to score as many of those green cubes as they can. Whoa! Speedy Chinchillas getting into the zone completely, and Flubber Duckies crossing the flank, and that is going to